Getaway Company is a fabulous little company that puts together tours for like-minded individuals that happen to be vegan. So sometimes when you're vegan, it's very difficult when you're traveling to figure out where to go, what food is for you. You have to do a lot of planning and preparation, but this is the first trip we did with the Getaway Company in amazing Greece, where we didn't have to plan anything, we didn't have to look at anything. We just knew that from what we were going to eat standpoint, we were going to be delighted. And we were extremely delighted every single day, to the degree that we need to get moving and have some exercise, but all in good fun. Great people, great times, great adventure.
So the Getaway Company has been great here in Greece. They had a great venue that they introduced us to, wonderful people, and we were able to all share in our same common interest of being vegan and traveling these beautiful Greek islands. So we were very fortunate that we were able to experience that, and everybody has a good time and so much fun going to places to eat that are vegan. And that was an important part. It was a good mixture of walking to restaurants and walking back to your accommodations, which was good for a lot of different reasons. But would highly recommend the Getaway Company. And yeah, it was good fun. And we would come back to Greece irregardless of the Getaway Company.
Don't say that!
No, I'm being honest at this point. But we would definitely take one of their other trips to some of their other exotic locations like Bali, Italy, Switzerland. They've got a number of great trips on board, so definitely highly recommend it.
So amazing organizers, amazing staff, people that, you know, make you feel very welcome, very comfortable, documenting the trip for us so that we, again, don't have to actually worry about anything along the way.